Chef de partie, CDP. A chef de partie, also known as station chef, specializes in managing a specific section of the kitchen, manages a specific area such as saucier, sauce and sauté, poissonnier, fish and seafood, rôtisseur, roast and grilled items, garde-manger, cold dishes and salads, pâtissier, dessert and baked goods, prepares and presents dishes in their area of expertise, ensures proper portioning, presentation and quality control, trains and supervises junior chefs in their section, maintains cleanliness and organization in their work areas. Commis chef. A commis chef is an entry-level chef who works under the supervision of a chef de partie to assist with food preparation. Prepares ingredients for cooking, for example, chopping, peeling, marinating, assists in cooking, plating and presenting dishes, learns and applies culinary techniques and skills, maintains cleanliness in their workstation, follows health and safety protocols in the kitchen.